Welcome to Combat Aviation and Defence. Today, we look at the American Sherman tank at the Australian Armour and Artillery Museum. For more tank videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. In the brutal battlefields of World War II, no tank became more widespread, more recognizable, or more hotly debated than the Sherman. It wasn't the biggest. It wasn't the most heavily armored. But it became the backbone of Allied armored warfare. This is the story of the M4 Sherman, the tank that helped win the war. When the United States entered World War II, it needed a tank that could be built fast, shipped worldwide, and maintained under combat conditions. The result was the M4 Sherman. Designed in 1941, the Sherman prioritized reliability, ease of production, and crew survivability. Its patrol engine, relatively lightweight, and standardized components allowed American factories to produce thousands, far more than any single German tank design. By war's end, over 49,000 Shermans had been built. Armament and crew. Early Shermans were armed with a 75 mm gun, effective against infantry bunkers. Later models, such as the EZ-8, were equipped with a more effective 76 mm M1 anti-tank gun. The tank was crewed by 5 men: commander, gunner, loader, driver, and assistant driver. Combat performance. The Sherman saw combat on every major Allied front: North Africa, Italy, Western Europe, the Pacific. In early encounters, it performed well against German Panzer III and IV tanks. But by 1944, Shermans faced formidable opponents like the Panther and Tiger, whose thicker armor and more powerful guns gave them a lethal edge in one-on-one duels. Sherman crews learned quickly. Victory came not from individual superiority, but from numbers, coordination, air support, and tactics. The Sherman gained a reputation for being vulnerable to fire, earning grim nicknames like Ronson. While early ammunition storage increased fire risk, later Shermans introduced wet ammunition stowage, dramatically improving survivability. Most importantly, the Sherman's reliability meant it was almost always available, while many German tanks broke down before reaching the battlefield. A tank that works today often beats a better tank that doesn't. Legacy. The M4 Sherman didn't win World War II alone, but it carried Allied soldiers from the beaches of Normandy to the heart of Germany, across jungles, deserts, and frozen fields. Reliable, adaptable, relentless. The Sherman was not the best tank of the war, but it may have been the most important. If you enjoyed this episode of Armour Files, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to Combat Aviation and Defence. For more in-depth military history, aircraft analysis, and armored warfare documentaries, explore our playlists and continue the journey through the machines that shaped modern combat.